Welcome to Topic 7, where we will delve into the fascinating and highly practical world of dictionaries in Python. This comprehensive presentation is brought to you by Dr. Hamad Mohammed Almantheri, who will guide us through the core concepts and functionalities of this essential data structure. We'll explore how dictionaries are used to store and manage data efficiently in Python programming. What exactly is a dictionary in Python? At its core, it's a versatile collection that is ordered, meaning elements maintain their insertion order, a significant enhancement introduced from Python version 3.7 onwards. Furthermore, dictionaries are changeable, allowing for modification of their contents after creation, and they are uniquely indexed based on keys, providing a powerful way to access and organize data. Dictionaries are always written with curly brackets, which serve as their defining syntax in Python. Within these brackets, you'll find key-value pairs. Each key is uniquely associated with a specific value, forming the fundamental building blocks of this data type. This structure allows for efficient retrieval of values using their corresponding keys, making dictionaries incredibly useful for various programming tasks. As clearly illustrated in this diagram, keys such as O and G act as unique identifiers. These keys directly point to their corresponding values, alpha, omega, and gamma, respectively. This visual representation helps to understand the one-to-one mapping between keys and values, which is a cornerstone of how dictionaries function in Python. A dictionary is formally represented by a pair of curly braces. Inside these braces, key-value pairs are enclosed. Each pair consists of a key followed by a colon, then its associated value, like key value. These individual key-value pairs are then separated by commas, ensuring a clear and structured definition of the dictionary's contents. The syntax for defining a dictionary is quite straightforward. Dictionary equals key_1, value_1, key_2, value_2. This format allows you to explicitly define each key and its corresponding value. For instance, consider the example D equals (alpha, O:(omega, G:(gamma). Here, O and G are the keys, and alpha, omega, and gamma are their respective values. When you execute a print statement for this dictionary, such as print, the output will clearly display all the key-value pairs exactly as they were defined. For our example, the output would be alpha, O:(omega, G:(gamma). This output confirms the successful creation and content of your dictionary, showing the direct mapping between each key and its associated value. Now let's delve into the crucial characteristics of keys and values within a dictionary, as these properties define their behavior. Keys are immutable, which is a very important concept. This means that once a key is assigned, its value cannot be changed or modified. This immutability ensures that keys remain consistent and reliable identifiers for accessing data. Keys in Python dictionaries offer flexibility in their data types. They can be either strings or numbers. This allows you to use descriptive names or numerical identifiers for your data. Regardless of their type, each key must be uniquely associated with a value. This uniqueness is fundamental for efficient data retrieval, as it ensures that each key points to only one specific piece of information. It's absolutely crucial to remember that keys must be unique within a dictionary. This means you cannot have two identical keys. If a key is used more than once during dictionary creation or modification, the new entry will simply overwrite the old value associated with that key. This behavior ensures that each key always maps to the most recently assigned value, preventing ambiguity. However, values in a dictionary exhibit greater flexibility compared to keys. Unlike keys, values may be duplicated across different keys. This means multiple keys can point to the same value, which is perfectly acceptable and often useful in various data structures. This distinction between the uniqueness of keys and the potential for duplication in values is a key aspect of dictionary design. Creating an empty dictionary in Python is a very simple process, offering two primary methods. You can either use a pair of empty curly braces, like D1 equals, which is a concise and commonly used syntax. Alternatively, you can employ the dict constructor, as demonstrated by D2 equals dict. Both approaches achieve the same result, an empty dictionary ready to store key-value pairs. For example, if you execute d equals dict, you are initializing an empty dictionary named d. To confirm its type and ensure it's indeed a dictionary, you can use the type function. Calling type will return dict, unequivocally verifying its data structure. This step is useful for debugging and ensuring your variables are of the expected type. This concludes our initial introduction to Python dictionaries. We've covered their fundamental definition as ordered, changeable, and key-indexed collections, explored their structural representation using curly brackets and key-value pairs, and demonstrated the basic methods for creating both populated and empty dictionaries. Understanding these core concepts is essential for effectively utilizing dictionaries in your Python programming endeavors.